How to become a Python developer. Python Developer Roadmap 2024. Hello, everyone. Fellow learners and future engineers. Welcome back to our YouTube channel, Enlighten JEE, where we explore the exciting world of engineering and technology. Today, we're diving deep into the world of Python development. If you've ever wondered how to become a Python developer in 2024, you're in the right place. We'll be exploring a detailed Python developer roadmap, covering everything from the essential skills to the advanced concepts. So, let's get started. Introduction to Python development. Before we jump into the roadmap, let's briefly talk about Python development. Python is a versatile programming language known for its simplicity and readability. It's used in various domains, from web development to data science and artificial intelligence. Becoming a Python developer opens doors to a wide array of opportunities in the tech industry. Prerequisites and Basics. The first step in our Python developer roadmap is understanding the prerequisites and basics. Ensure you have a good grasp of fundamental programming concepts such as variables, data types, loops, and conditional statements. Familiarize yourself with Python syntax and its basic functionalities. Online platforms like Codecademy, Khan Academy, and Free Code Camp offer excellent resources for beginners. Version Control System, VCS, and Git. The next milestone in your journey is mastering version control systems, particularly Git. Git is an essential tool for collaborative development and tracking changes in your code. Learn the basics of Git commands, branching, and merging. Platforms like GitHub and Bitbucket will become your best friends for hosting and collaborating on projects. Basic Python libraries and frameworks. With the fundamentals in place, it's time to explore basic Python libraries and frameworks. Understand the power of libraries like NumPy for numerical computing, Pandas for data manipulation, and Flask for web development. Get hands-on experience by working on small projects that leverage these libraries and frameworks. Web development with Django and Flask. Moving on, let's delve into web development using Python. Django and Flask are two popular frameworks for building web applications. Learn the ins and outs of these frameworks, from setting up a project to creating dynamic web pages. Building a basic web application will solidify your understanding of Python in a real-world context. Database management. No Python developer roadmap is complete without a stop at database management. Understand how to interact with databases using SQL and learn about ORM, object relational mapping, tools like SQL Alchemy. Integration with databases is crucial for any data-driven application, so make sure to get comfortable with this aspect of development. Advanced Python concepts. As you progress, it's time to dive into more advanced Python concepts. Explore topics like decorators, generators, and context managers. Understanding these concepts will elevate your code to a more sophisticated level, showcasing your expertise as a Python developer. Testing and debugging. Testing and debugging are crucial skills for any developer. Learn about testing frameworks like PyTest and understand how to write effective test cases. Familiarize yourself with debugging tools and techniques to identify and fix issues in your code efficiently. Asynchronous programming. Asynchronous programming is gaining prominence in Python development. Grasp the concepts of asynchronous I/O and explore the Asyncio library. Understanding how to write asynchronous code can greatly enhance the performance of your applications, especially in scenarios with concurrent tasks. DevOps and deployment. No Python developer is complete without knowledge of DevOps and deployment processes. Explore containerization with Docker. Learn about continuous integration and deployment, CI/CD, pipelines, and understand how to deploy Python applications on cloud platforms like AWS, Azure, or Google Cloud. Conclusion, and there you have it, a comprehensive Python developer roadmap for 2024. Remember, becoming a proficient Python developer is a journey, not a sprint. Take your time, build projects, contribute to open source, and stay updated with the latest trends in the Python ecosystem. If you found this roadmap helpful, don't forget to like this video, subscribe for more content, and share your thoughts in the comments. Happy coding!